Hey, this is a video to explain the students of ICT 21st Century Enhanced Learning how to make the web page in which they post their digital portfolio, including the web page and some other things that they develop in the class. Many of you already opened the account in WordPress.com, going by Get Started, and give your information, and then you get to the second page, that is where you start building the web page. Then this is the first step. We have to choose the look of the home page. There are three choices. This is for like a blog where you have the latest posts of your blog. This is a grid of the latest post, but we're building a web page. Then we're gonna choose this welcome page for my site, because we're gonna build like a site, like a web page that will contain different objects. Then we go by this one. Then the second step is to choose a theme. We're going to choose any arbitrary theme. We're going to choose this one, the first one, but we're going to change it to a theme that I use usually, the standard one. You are free to use different themes, but I will choose that one because I know how to customize the theme easily. The step 3 out of the 4 steps to have the configuration of the website or the web page is to choose a site address that is going to be the name of the page that you can which you can access the page from the browsers. Then we're going to have here ICT 21 web page, and then the WordPress give you possibilities. You can buy certain names that you will have to pay, and there is, for this one, there is the possibility of having ICT 21 web page WordPress for free. Then we're gonna pick that one. We don't have to pay anything to have this web page available in the web with this name. It will be, the name of the page will be ict21.wordpress.com. The fourth step is to pick what kind of hosting we want. There are different choices and different possibilities. We're going to use the free one because we want a free web page. We will have 3 gigabytes of storage space, but they won't allow to store videos, only like still images, but we want to select that one. Then it will start building the web page exactly like the model that we pick, with the look like and the theme that we choose in the steps 2 and 3. Then we go by, we press continue, and then we will have the initial website like it is. Then you can go and see it's exactly like the one. It includes a text widget, links and stuff, and then we can start modifying this web page. Then we start modifying our web page. The first thing that we're going to modify is the title. Then we go by customize here. When you get to this place, there are 2 ways to get to customize. You can press this one, or you can go by my slides and go to theme here and go by customize. We're gonna go by this one. It goes directly to the customization of the theme. It's taking a little bit for doing that customization. Then we get to customize. The first thing that we can modify here is the site title. I'm going to put ICT 21st 21 at the first web page. Example. And if you want a subtitle, but we don't want a subtitle, and also here you can modify something called logo, but this one doesn't have a logo. Then we say save and publish. And you see the web page will look now with this title. In customization, we can edit this second information that is here. That is the welcome page. Then welcome to your new site. This is, I'm gonna put here, I go by visual. There are two choices, visual and HTML. This is the HTML one. It has tags for the links and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna put here some information. This is the web page example for students of ICT 21st century enhanced. So we modify the text here in the welcome page. The welcome page looks like this. Then we're going to change now the picture that we have here. In this style, it's easy to change the picture. We go here and change the picture. I'm going to upload a new picture here that is from the class. And then we say set feature picture. It becomes this. Then I'm going to update, that is to store that one. And we're going to check how does it look, the new site, changing the picture in the welcome page and the text in the welcome page. Then this is the new page. This is ICT 21st web page example, the welcome page, the about page, and the text of the welcome. I'm going to include a link here for the web page of the class, the actual web page where the slides and all the material is posted. Then I go back here to the edition here and I put ICT 21st century enhanced learning, and I want to make a link here. It's easy. You just select the text that will link to the new web page, and then you get the address of the web page. In this case, it's the address of the page of the class, and add the link, and then you update. And when you update, if you use here the right click and open a new window inside the browser, you see now it has the welcome, the new picture, and the 21st enhanced link. And then when I click in that one, it sends me to the new web page. Then we did already change the picture of the site, the welcome, and this one. Okay. One thing that I do is you are free to use any theme that you want, but I usually use this one. I go and select the following theme that is easier to customize. I use the Untitled theme. Go by the My Sites. Go and click on top of the theme word. Not the customize, but the theme here. And change you can customize this, but what we are doing is to change the theme for a different theme. Then usually I go by Untitled. That is the one that is being used there. And then I pick that style. And then the website becomes like the one that is used in the class. The title is here, the welcome page, the about, the blog, the picture that we include, and that's the web page that we have so far, a first initial web page with this. Then now we're going to create a second page where we post the LinkedIn profile. Then we go by pages. Then we have the about page and this, and then we're going to include a new one. Then we said add here, add a new page. I'm going to call it LinkedIn, and I am going to include the following in this web page. The information of my LinkedIn that I have already here typed somewhere. The information of my LinkedIn profile and a screenshot, taking a picture of the screen, linking to my LinkedIn information. Then let me go back to here. I put that information there. Let's put this thing. This is the email. You can connect with me, inviting me with the email, or you can connect with me in LinkedIn, checking this page when you are in your account, and also inviting me to connect with you. Then what we're going to include here is the following. I'm going to go to my LinkedIn page. I logged in my account. I am in my profile, and I'm going to use Control Alt print screen, whatever in any particular computer that one. What this does is to capture this picture in an image, and I'm going to open a paintbrush and cut a piece of my of this picture to put it there. I'm gonna cut this and to open one that picture and save it in the place that I have here. I'm gonna call this LinkedIn. Close this, and I'm going back to the page that I'm editing here, and I'm going to include that picture here. It's called LinkedIn. Let me see. L file 18. Here it is. Then I insert that picture in that page, and also include a link for this page. I'm going to use this. I am going to include a link here too. Then it's become a link, and also for this image I'm going to put the same thing that it will send you to my LinkedIn page. Okay, this is going to be a new page that is called LinkedIn. It has a picture that is linked to my LinkedIn profile. It has a link to my LinkedIn profile, and it has my email. You can connect either checking this profile and connecting with me in LinkedIn, or sending me an email inviting me to become one of your connections there. I'm going to publish this page, and I am going to add a new menu item that is called LinkedIn, and opens this page when you click in that one. Then to do that, I go by my sites, go to menu. In menus, you see that in the menu you have these 4 items: welcome, about, contact, and blog. I'm going to put after welcome. Then you say add an item below called link in. I'm going to create a new item that is called LinkedIn. I remove this. I do enter, and is connected to the page that I just created that is called LinkedIn. Then you say add item and save. And if we check the page now, it will have a new item in the menu, and it will have this page linked to that new item. Then let's check the page. Now it has welcome, and it has LinkedIn. In welcome